Greetings everyone, I'm Rahul and we are Project 1703 and today we'll be presenting our Capstone project title, Edu Predict Tool. Before we dive into the project, I'd like to introduce our team members and acknowledge our advisors and mentors who guided us throughout this journey. Each member contributed to different aspects such as data engineering, dashboard development, testing, and machine learning. Our project was structured around several key milestones: understanding the problem, defining tasks, collecting and analyzing data, developing a forecasting model, and building an interactive dashboard for scenario based predictions. The core problem we tackled was the difficulty in predicting the number of international students enrolling in US universities due to unpredictable external factors like global events, economic shifts, and visa policies. This impacts planning and resource management significantly. To address this, we defined three main tasks: data collection and analysis, building machine learning models for forecasting, and creating an interactive dashboard. Now, my teammate Vamsi will take over.
Thanks, Rahul. Our solution, the EduPredict tool, forecasts enrollment trends based on three scenarios: baseline, optimistic, and pessimistic. It gathers historical data, builds predictive models, and visualizes outcomes through a user friendly Power BI dashboard, helping institutions make informed decisions. We followed CRISP DM methodology, which is a structured methodology starting from understanding the business problem, preparing the data, building and evaluating models, and finally deploying the solution. Each phase was crucial to ensuring the tool's accuracy and usability. Next, Arya will continue.
Thanks, Vamsi. During model development, we experimented with several machine learning models like XGBoost, ARIMA, ETS, Random Forest, and LSTM to find the best fit. After evaluating their performance, we selected Light GBM, a gradient boosting framework that provided the best results for our dataset. LightGBM was chosen because it handles large, high-dimensional educational datasets efficiently, captures complex nonlinear relationships between features like attendance, grades, and engagement, and trains significantly faster than other models like XGBoost or ARIMA, enabling quicker iteration and higher predictive accuracy. I'll hand over to Janani now.
Thanks, Arya. Our model outputs are divided into three prediction scenarios. The baseline scenario assumes current trends continue without major changes, offering a stable projection. The optimistic scenario simulates favorable conditions like improved visa policies or global cooperation leading to increased enrollment. The pessimistic scenario accounts for restrictive policies or major global disruptions that might. These scenarios provide flexibility for universities to plan resources and policies based on possible future outcomes. This chart presents a scenario analysis of student enrollment forecasts from 2023 to 2032. It compares three potential futures: a baseline scenario with steady growth, an optimistic scenario with accelerated growth, and a pessimistic scenario where enrollment declines sharply. This analysis helps us prepare for varying educational demands and plan resource allocation accordingly. Now, Chanaka is going to take you all through the dashboard.
Thank you, Janani. Welcome to the EduPredict dashboard, an intuitive, visually professional tool designed to analyze and forecast international student enrollment. From the homepage, users are greeted with a clean layout and clickable navigation tabs for each section, making it simple and seamless to explore insights. In the overview, we provide key figures like visa counts, gender ratios, and global origin trends, all filterable by year, program, or region. The trends page breaks down student patterns by academic type, helping spot growth areas across undergrad, graduate, OPT, and more. Next, the scenario tab compares enrollment types and timelines, offering insights into full-time trends and gender splits. Funding reveals how students support their education, highlighting differences between international and domestic funding sources. The origin page dives deeper into student regions and countries, with visual clarity on where students are coming from over time. And finally, business questions gives us a strategic view, showing projected enrollments under baseline, optimistic, and pessimistic futures, all the way to 2051. Overall, EduPredict is not just informative, it's built with a user-first design, making data exploration fast, reliable, and decision-ready. Uday is going to take over the slides.
Thank you, Janakya. Coming to challenges faced and lessons learned. Choosing the right model architecture, for example, light GBM versus LSTM, and optimizing hyperparameters without overfitting was a key technical challenge. One major lesson we learned was the importance of domain knowledge in shaping model assumptions. and how visualization tools like Power BI can bridge the gap between data science and decision making. In the future, we plan to enhance our model with real-time policy indicators, build a web-based version of the dashboard, and add automated alerts for scenario changes. Thank you all for your time.